Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Ligo coin. Now this coin just got a brand new central exchange listing starting today, January 16th, on a very big central exchange. We're going to go over the information on the Ligo coin and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. Let's get into this token here. So Ligo, the Bitcoin Layer 2 scaling solution that is open source, compatible to an EVM, Ethereum virtual machine. So Ligo is a blockchain innovator, presents a unique layer 2 scaling solution for Bitcoin's ecosystem, like BRC20, BTC GameFi, SocialFi, decentralized finance, stablecoins, and real-world assets, aka RWAs, harmonized with the Ethereum virtual machine. This allows developers to easily migrate Ethereum smart contracts to Bitcoin's robust proof-of-work blockchain. With the Ligo network, users optimize their Bitcoin investments, enjoy transactions faster with higher transactions per second. It's cheaper, so lower gas fees when you mint BRC20 coins, and safer, so Bitcoin security mechanisms. Ligo not only enhances liquidity, but also motivates developers to build on the burgeoning Bitcoin ecosystem, spurring Web3 application development and innovation. Now, they do have a full white paper that you could find on their webpage, ligo.network. It is an 18-page white paper. Goes over, basically BRC20 tokens, what all that type of stuff is. The problems with the Bitcoin network. They talk about poor scalability, no Turing complete virtual machine, high transaction fees, centralized risks of new Bitcoin protocols. And then they talk about, their solution. So they talk about decentralization and how that's an important factor for blockchains to survive, Bitcoin Layer 2's design philosophy, EVM compatibility, sustainability, and the Bitcoin Layer 2 architecture, and the consensus, PPOM consensus, and just tons of information on this very lengthy white paper they have here. So they, on their webpage though, they have social links, they have all sorts of information. This token just got a brand new central exchange listing today, January 16th. They just got listed at 11 a.m. UTC time on an exchange called Bitmart. So if you're looking to buy the Ligo token, all you would have to do is download Bitmart from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, or get it on your PC. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search LIGO, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So they have their Ordinal scan. You can find it at ordinalscan.com/inscription/457-33545. And they talk about Ligo on there, and the token price limit per mint is 1 million tokens, 80 bytes, the content size, etc., etc. Inscription date was December 3rd. And so, yeah, you could check out the inscription ID on there. It's verified. BRC20 token. Check out the Ordiscan. And they have a Twitter that I'm going to put up right up here. It is at Ligobtc. Blue verified checkmark, 2,170 tweets. It says Ligobtc Layer 2 innovations are fostering the liquidity of Bitcoin assets, boosting its ecosystem. They have a link to their Telegram there. They have a link to Mint on unisat.io if you want to do that. Or they have a link to their webpage there, ligo.network. But this token is available on Bitmart now, so you don't have to mint if you don't want to. You can get the token off Bitmart if you like. Now, their webpage here, it says, Ligo firmly anchored in Web3 with dual operational bases in the Bay Area in the United States and Singapore, primarily focuses on a comprehensive development of the Bitcoin ecosystem. We stand committed to offering each of our developers professional, top-quality, open-source products and services. At Ligo, we pledge to provide our ecosystem builders with superior blockchain solutions encompassing incubation, investment, initial Bitcoin offerings, IBOs, and listings and liquidation services. We collaborate intimately with our developers to comprehend their distinctive needs and devise tailored solutions that address their specific prerequisites. The initial R&D cost of US 13 mils from the team has achieved across chain infra, swap app, wallet app productions. Now their services, they have AI plus Web3 app R&D, so we develop customized and secure blockchain solutions to meet your business needs in today's artificial intelligence dominated industries. They also offer EVM migrate to BVM. We offer comprehensive end-to-end EVM smart contract migration to BVM, leveraging AI automation to significantly enhance and grow your business. And blockchain consulting. Our blockchain experts offer consulting services, free online seminars, space AMAs, Ask Me Anythings, to help you understand the potential of the Ligo network. Now, if you want to click on info, there's more info on each one of those headings. They also have their client list on here if you want to check that out. They have the location of their business. They have a Telegram, Twitter, and they have a block generation testing servers demo. You could shoot them a message on their page, all sorts of stuff. Check it all out, ligo.network. And you can find this token newly listed on Bitmart as of today, so check that out. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.